Hello dear students, again I am going to one more example sums of HRA. So first already I am discussed about the HRA and EA. So one example sum already is done. Then second part for the same HRA, you know that already format, I will repeat once again the format. See, HRA mean it is an amount payment by the employer to his employee for his rental expenditure. So how we are giving the rental expenditure? As per the IT rules. So now go for this same format only. List of the following is exempted. First one is we have three format A, B, C. A is 40% of salary. B, rent paid minus 10% of salary. C, actual HRA. So what is salary? Salary mean you can take average. How to take the average salary? Salary mean basic pay plus DA enter plus commissions. If it is not given DA enter, should not be considered, you can take only for the basic and commissions only. So out of this amount you can take the percentage of the salary of 40%. So I hope you understand the format. Then again we will go for the same sums. See the sums here. First I give example sums for the government employee, but now I am giving for the private employee. For what purpose I am giving the private employee? It is the format of second one EA. Entertainment allowance not effect of the private employee, it is affected only for the government employee. See the questions. Mr. Y is an employee of a private limited in Bangalore. Private limited Bangalore. Compute his salary for the assessment year 2019 and 20. Same process. He is given basic salary, DA also and DP. DA, DP both are similar, both are same. Don't worry about the DA and DP, both you should be considered. Commission is given, EA also is given, and finally he is given in the HRA. So now same format will go through the solutions. See the once again the solutions. Same as you see, I give the previous example Mr. X for government employee, just I am going to change only for the assess's names, Mr. Y, as per your form questions, Mr. Y. Same assessment year 19 and 20. Computation of taxable income from salary of Mr. X or Y, whatever it may be. Okay. See this, basic salary as per your questions 15,000 per month. Every month we will get the 15,000. What about the per annum? So per annum normally we calculate the 12 months. 15,000 per month into 12 months. So totally we will get the salary per annum 1,80,000. Second part, commission also is given. What is the commission part? Is given directly for the commission of rupees 45,000. You can take the 45,000 of commissions. Then EA also is given. Already I told EA should be considered as a part of the salary for taxable. If it is an government employee, you should be give the deduction as per the format. But now you can take for the EA of rupees 7,000 per month, 700 per month into 12 months, total amount 8,400. Next, allowances. What is the DA amount? Directly is given. In the previous example is in percentage, but now he is given in the amount only. What is the amount per month? 5,000 per month into 12. 5,000 per month into 12, total amount 60,000 per annum. Next, DP 2,000 per month into 12, 24,000. Total DA comes around 84,000 DA and DP both. So now very important topic of today's class HRA. So, same part of HRA. I told in the beginning only whatever the working note, he is not given, he is not mentioned any adjustment, but it is a mandatory to do the income tax. HRA, first you know the format, you should be remember. What is the HRA? HRA 3 steps, first one is on 40% of salary, second part rent paid minus 10% of salary, third point it is an actual HRA. When you are calculating the 40%, should be remember basic pay plus DA enter plus commission, 3 total amount into 40%. But in this sum he is not given, he is given DA but not enter. So, I am not taking the DA and DP, I am taking only for the basic plus commission. See the working note, as per the same I am doing the working note. A 40% of salary, rent paid minus 10% of salary, third one is actual HRA. What is the 40% salary? 81,600. How? See this 1,80,000 plus 45,000. 180 plus 45, 2,25,000 into 40%. It comes around 81,600. 2 lakh, see 1,80,000 plus 45,000 into 20 into 40%. It comes around 81,600. So, second point, same process. What is the rent paid? He is paying the rent per month 9,000. What about per annum? 8,000, 9,000 into 12 months. 12 nines are 1,08,000. Totally per annum his payment of rent of rupees 1,08,000. Then rent paid minus 10% salary. Already we calculated the salary for 2,25,000 something. So, 10% mean 20,400. So, 1,08,000 minus 20,400, it comes around 87,600. Next, actual HRA is given 7,500 per month into 12 months, it comes 90,000. See this 81,600, 87,600, 90,000. Which is least? Whichever is less. Least amount 81,600. See this 81,600, this amount is an exempted salary as per the format. Now come through the taxable salary, taxable HRA. Actual HRA, what is the actual HRA? 90,000. What is the exempted? 81,600. 90,000 minus 81,600, remaining amount is an 8,400. It is called as taxable HRA. It is called as taxable HRA. So, now as per the working note, same amount I am going to transfer the format. Transfer the format. See this HRA, working note number 1. What is the value amount? 8,400. But here you should show the only for the amount. What is the amount? You should be transferred to the solution. But you should shown in the working note is in mandatory. So, now you know that basic are over, commission also over, EA also, DA, DP, HRA. Very simple sums. So, now you can take total. Total amount comes in 3,25,800. It is called as gross salary. It is called as gross salary. Gross salary mean before deducting the deduction. It is called as gross salary. Net salary mean after deducting the amount from gross salary. It is called as net or taxable salary. So, after gross salary, same format, less standard deduction, standard deductions under section 16 subsection A. Rupees 40,000 are basic salary of. So, second point 16 subsection 1 and 2. 1 and 2, one is professional tax, 2 is an EA. But in the sums he is not given any professional tax, you should be minus the professional tax if he is given, but he is not given any professional tax, but I am going to show in nil amount. Next one, EA. So even previous sums he is given the EA, but here also is given EA, but I am not deducting any EA. I am not deducting any EA. Why? Because he is an private employee, private limited company, but not an government employee. If he is an government employee, what is the EA part? Maximum limit of rupees 5,000 or 20% of salary or actual EA, whichever is less. But see this, he is an private employee, you should take EA only for the total amount, but don't show in deduction amount. So totally gross salary minus 40,000, it is called as 2,85,800, it is called as net salary. So all income from salary sums, it is very simple, it is very easy, but you know the format is very, very important. Once you mug up the format and work out twice, 100% you will get the informations. So as per the income from salary, gratuity is very important, on leave, pension, PF, interest on PF and HRA, RFA and perquisites. This part, if you know this, 100% will get the correct answers. So anyhow, I hope that you understand all these sums. Okay, thank you.